Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to change difficulty in Minecraft. So if you're creating a new world, then you want to simply go ahead and go to more world options and allow cheats on. This is going to go ahead and help you change it in the between of your game. So as you can see, you can choose between creative, survival, and hardcore, whatever you want right over here. So what you can do is simply go ahead and create a new world. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and write / and then write difficulty easy and press enter. And as you can see, game is going to be set to easy. Or you could also do difficulty space hard. There you go, and it is set to hard. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.